Hi! Magandang araw sa iyo. Welcome again sa ating channel. Ang tutorial na ito is all about variables in PHP. In our learning outcomes, at the end of the video, you will be able to define what is a variable. Number 2, initialize a variable. Number 3, you are going to access the variable. And number 4, apply concatenation operator. What is variable? Variables are used for storing values like text strings, numbers, or arrays. Ang purpose ng variable ay siya ang mag-hold ng isang value. Sana all nag-hold ng value. Char! Ang value ay maaaring text strings, numbers, or arrays. Once ang variable natin ay na-declare at may naka-assign na value, pwede na ito ma-access anywhere in the script. All variables in PHP starts with $sign symbol. Example, $var_name. Then, we're going to assign the value. Pero karamihan sa mga baguhang programmer sa PHP ay nakakalimutan lagyan ng $sign symbol bago ang variable name. Like for example, this one. So in that case, it will not work. Okay, so let's try creating a variable containing a string and a number. Okay, so we have the first example. The variable should start with the $sign symbol, and then kasunod ito yung ating variable name. We say first name underscore name equals the value na si 1. And then we have the variable age, and we assign the value of 21. PHP is a loosely typed language. Sa PHP, ang variable ay hindi mo na kailangan lagyan ng data type dahil siya na mismo ang mag-convert or mag-adjust kung anong data type ang gagamitin. Depende sa value na i-assign mo. Karamihan kasi sa mga programming languages ay kailangan mo munang i-declare ang data type sa kalagyan ng value. So PHP automatically converts the variable to the correct data type depending on its value. Naming rules for variables. So number 1, a variable name must start with a letter or an underscore. So kailangan yung ating variable name mag-umpisa siya, it's either a letter or underscore. Okay? Number 2, a variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscore. And number 3, a variable name should not contain spaces. So kung ang variable name is more than one word, it should be separated with an underscore. Example, we have the $sign my underscore string, or with capitalization, $sign my and then capital S and then string or string. Okay? So yan ang mga rules for naming a variable. Let's proceed. So let's open our text editor. So I'm going to use the Sublime Text Editor. So to make a program in PHP, so first, punta tayo sa File, then New File. So we're going to create a new file. To make a program in PHP, it's always start with the opening block. So the opening block of the PHP code is less than, question mark, followed by PHP, and then it will end question mark and greater than. Okay? So ito yung basic na building block ng PHP. So na-discuss ko na ito in the previous tutorial. Okay? So next, isa-save na natin yung ating file, PHP file. Paano mag-save? Just press Ctrl S, or you can go to File and then click Save. And then, navigate ang location ng ating folder na ginawa in the previous lesson. In my computer, I have created a folder named Sir-Suerte under the local disk C, and then select XAMPP folder and open, and look for htdocs, and hanapin lang si Suerte or yung ginawa mo na folder in the previous lesson. So sa akin dito, ito yung Suerte folder. Then i-open, double click. And then, na-notice nyo, mayroon na akong hello world.php. Okay? So, ngayon, gagawa tayo ng another PHP file. So, ang title nito is variable, let's say, variable underscore sample. And then, huwag kalimutan lagyan ng .php. So, si PHP yung ating gagawin na file. So, lagyan lang ng .php para i-recognize ng ating machine na yung ginawa natin na file is PHP. In the save as type, just choose all files. Okay? Kasi nakadeclare naman dito yung ating file extension. So, no need na mag-select na save as type. So, just choose all files and then hit the save button. Okay. So, para check kung gagana yung ating program, open your browser and type. So, go to your browser and then type localhost /suerte. Ito yung folder natin na ginawa. And then, yung ating PHP file, which is variable underscore sample.php. So, don't forget to type the extension .php kung mag-execute tayo ng ating file or program. Make sure na yung ating file name is correct and na-indicate dito yung ating extension na PHP. Okay? So, hit the enter. Okay. Ang sabi dito is, this site can't be reached. Okay? It means na yung ating server is hindi nakaran. Okay? Hindi nakaran yung ating server, kaya kailangan natin i-execute muna si Apache. So, go to your XAMPP control panel, i-open lang yon. And then, start si Apache. Ayan, nakalimutan natin start si Apache, kaya hindi nag-execute yung ating PHP file. Okay? So, i-close lang yung ating window and then refresh the browser. Ayan. So, automatically, running yung ating PHP na sample or variable sample.php. Okay, so let's go back to our text editor. Again, sa PHP, ang variable ay nag-uumpisa sa $sign symbol and then followed by the name of the variable. Let's say first name. Tandaan yung rules for naming a variable in PHP. So, dapat ang variable name, it should start with a letter or an underscore. So, if the variable name is dalawang word, so you can separate by using underscore. Okay, and then equals, say first name, so ating i-assign the value, let's say ito ay string or a name of a person, let's say 1. I-assign natin na value is a string. So PHP, it automatically converts the data type depende sa kung anong value ang ating ina-assign. Unlike sa ibang programming languages na kailangan mo munang i-declare or i-define kung anong data type ng variable at saka yung value. Sa PHP, hindi mo na kailangan i-declare kung ano siyang data type. As long as may $sign symbol before the name of the variable. Then press Ctrl S to save. Then go to your browser and check if there is an error or none. So, wala tayong output. So, here, we're going to access or tatawagin natin yung variable at i-output sa ating web browser. So, paano mag-output ng isang data or a string? So, gagamit tayo ng echo and then, let's say string. Lalagyan natin ng string and then, my name is, my name is, lagyan ng dot or concatenation operator, and at tatawagin lang natin yung ating variable na first underscore name, and then semicolon. Press Ctrl S, and then go to browser, and refresh. Ayan. So we have, my name is Juan. So, wala tayong space dito sa S, between the S and 1. So, lagyan na natin ng space. So, mag-create ng space, parang ganito lang yon. Ayan. Save. Go to browser and then refresh. Ayan. So, my name is Juan. Okay? So, ganun na kasimple. Then, mag-add tayo ng another variable, let's say, your last name. $, last, underscore, name, equals, let's say, De La Cruz. Ayan. Paano tawagin si last name? So, just add another concatenation operator, and then, lagyan mo ng string na para sa spacing natin, and then, dot, last name. Ayan. Press Ctrl S. So, it will output the my name is first name, which is yung ating value na 1 na inassign sa first name. And then, we have the quotation na may space. Bali, maglalagay ito ng space between the first name and the last name. And, tinawag natin si variable na last name na may value na De La Cruz. Press Ctrl S to save and go to your browser and refresh. See? So, the output is my name is Juan De La Cruz. So, what if gagamit tayo ng number? So, pag number, gawa tayo ng age na variable equals, say, 21. So, sa age, may value na 21. So, let's call that using the other echo statement. Say, string I am space dot, let's call the age variable, tawagan natin si variable na age, the dollar sign age, then dot string na years space years old. Yan. Then, lagyan ng semicolon. Then, press Ctrl S. Go to browser and refresh. So, okay. So, si I am 21 years old. Nagkadugtong dito sa ating De La Cruz. So, lagyan natin ng period. So, last name dot string dot. Ayan. Save, refresh. So, meron na tayong my name is Juan De La Cruz. I am 21 years old. Para updated ka sa mga video tutorials, please click the notification bell and subscribe my channel. That's all for today. God bless you all. Goodbye.